Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to do track changes in Google Docs. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for docs.google.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be sent to the home page. Here, all of your recent documents will be present, so either open one from here or just create a new blank one. Now, this type of interface will be displayed on your screen. As you can see that there is nothing present here currently, so I will just paste some random stuff. Once you are on this page, click on this editing feature at top right corner and then select suggesting from the drop-down menu. Now, if I delete or remove something from the text, it will be mentioned at the right side of the screen automatically. Similarly, if you add some text, it will also be mentioned at the same place. So if you have shared the document with someone, you will know if they make any change and then review them. You can also reply to them on each and every change that either you or they make. You can also reject the changes by clicking on the cross icon. Again, you can also accept them by clicking on the tick icon. In order to revert the mode, click on the suggesting button again, but this time select editing. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.